Well, good morning everybody. Welcome to another Let's Fish Alberta, where you get to come fish with me, Matt, and my buddy Chris, as we set out and fish Alberta's lakes. So today I got another special guest. I got my nephew, Henry. We're out at Sylvan, and we're going to be fishing for pike. You've only caught one out of this lake, right? So you want to catch a whole bunch of pike. So we've been having a lot of success. So we're going to be using the swim bait, and Henry bought a whole bunch of different lures, and hopefully we have a great day. The sun is, kind of shining. It's a little overcast, so we're not going to get baked, and the wind's just nice, so we're going to have a nice current to cast and take us drifting as we cast these areas. So stay tuned, and yeah, let's catch some fish. Yep.
You on?
Yep. Holy cow.
Grab the net.
It's a good fish.
Nice.
Holy cow. You see the run on that?
Yeah. In here, that's crazy. At least we're not skunked. Hopefully if we land this.
Just sitting there. Probably at the bottom of the weedy patch. Yep, there he is. There he goes. Oh. Don't get off. Come on. Holy, what a fight. It's a big fish, dude. Jeez, I can't. Oh, it took so much line. Where are you, buddy? Nice and easy, just take my time, right?
Yep.
Don't get off. Don't get off. He's just sitting there. I can feel him, but he's just sitting. Yeah, there he goes, there he goes. Okay, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. I see him.
Got him.
Oh, yeah! Oh. Woo! That's not a bad fish.
Look at that guy.
Oh, what a gut on that guy. It's not the biggest fish I've caught in this lake, but he's probably my second biggest. Look at the girth, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a fish.
Boom! Look at that guy. Dude's out of here. That's a good sized fish. I'm pretty happy with that. Hey, Henry?
Yeah.
Let's measure them. Let's get the tape measure real quick.
Oh.
We'll say 29 inches.
Yeah.
29 inches. Nice. Nice fish. All right, let's get it on. Let's see if we can get the release on the record. Oh, geez, there he goes.
I saw it.
Give me a 5. You gotta get some grease on you. And there you go, some fish guts. Woo! Yep, I got one.
You got one?
Yep.
Okay. I'll grab the net.
You know what? You got this.
Really?
Yeah, come grab this fish. Second piece.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta?
Yeah.
Bring that fish in home. You got this, bud. Take your time. Yeah. We're gonna land this fish. See him yet? Keep that tension, keep that tension. I see him.
Alright.
Yeah. He's almost here. Keep attention. Keep him in the water. Keep him in the water. Yeah, we got him, buddy.
Go.
Yeah, let's go. Woo! All right. Switch up. Okay. Yes. Hey, that's okay.
It's a fish.
That's a fish. There you go. Awesome. Sweet.
I wonder why they're biting yours, not mine. So weird.
It's just the way it is sometimes.
That's fair. Sweet.
And he's off. Boom! Turn around and hit those spots again, hey? Yeah, I got a fish.
A fish?
It's a little guy. Yeah, I got a little fish.
Nice. I see it.
Not bad, actually.
It's not that little.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna get up the weeds off my
Easy,
rod.
buddy. Easy. He's still got some girth, though. Second pike for me. Not a bad size. Sweet. Let's let him go. Nice. Well, guys, that wraps up another day of Let's Fish Alberta. Thanks for watching. We had a really good day. We were out, you know, we had a few snags, a few losses, but we were able to, was it 3, Henry?
Yeah, it was 3 in total.
Yeah, 3, so that's not bad. We each landed 1 each, so that's good. I got 2, and trolling was what was doing it today. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. So stay tuned to the next one.